Welcome to this explainer. I'm absolutely thrilled you're here with me today. Look, consider me your tech-savvy mentor because we are going to unlock something literally incredible. Have you ever watched one of those gorgeous cinematic 3D animated films and just thought, man, I wish I could make that? Well, get ready, because today I'm going to show you exactly how creating high-quality, professional-level 3D animation is entirely accessible, completely free, and, get this, it can be done right from the mobile phone sitting in your hand right now. Think 3D animation is too hard? Honestly, I do not blame you. For decades, the animation industry has been locked behind these massive technical walls. We're talking incredibly powerful, expensive computers, literal years of software training, and studio budgets that would just make your head spin. But I'm here to tell you, those days, they are completely gone. Poof! The technical barriers have vanished. You really don't need a massive studio anymore. You just need the exact right workflow. Just listen to this for a second. The magical crystal is hidden, and if found, happiness will return to the entire forest. That is an actual translated line of dialogue from the stunning Disney-style fantasy cartoon you are going to learn how to build today. We're not just, mashing moving images together here. We are going to craft a fully voiced, beautiful story just like the one that quote came from. So here's our masterclass syllabus for today. 1. Scripting with AI. 2. Designing your characters. 3. Generating the video clips. And 4. Editing and final touches.
All right, let's jump straight into Section 1, Scripting with AI, Building the Blueprint.
Every single great movie starts with a great script, right? Well, we are going to build our story blueprint using ChatGPT. Here is the exact two-step instruction you need to feed the AI. For step 1, don't just ask for a basic story. You want to specifically ask for a 2-minute 3D Disney-style fantasy script with direct character dialogues. And this part is absolutely crucial. Tell it not to use a narrator. We want our characters actually speaking in their own voices. Then, for step 2, you ask the AI to break that script down into 10-second text-to-video scene prompts, making sure the dialogue flows naturally. Basically, these 10-second chunks are the secret sauce we'll feed to our video generator later on.
Now, before we bounce out of ChatGPT, there's one more essential thing. You've got to ask the AI to generate distinct visual descriptions, or, looks, for all the characters it just dreamed up. So let's say your script has a hero named Anya and maybe a dark wizard villain. You need ChatGPT to clearly map out what their faces, their clothes, and their overall styles look like. We really need this physical blueprint locked in for our next phase.
Section 2. Designing your characters, the studio setup.
Now that we've got our script, we're going to move over to Google Flow to actually build our actors. And hey, I've got a really cool insider tip for our viewers in India. Google Flow runs on Gemini's powerful subscription models behind the scenes. But if you're in India, you can actually use a Geo mobile number to claim a free Gemini subscription. You can even do this across multiple numbers, just to make absolutely sure your access to these premium generation tools stays completely free. How cool is that?
So how do we actually forge these digital actors? When you open a new project in Google Flow and jump into the character section, just follow this simple checklist. First up, select the Nano 2 model. That's going to give us that gorgeous aesthetic. Next, just paste in that visual character prompt ChatGPT gave you earlier and let the AI do its thing. Once the image looks like that perfect Disney-style character, give them a name, like our hero Anya, or maybe Tinku the Dragon. Finally, preview the voice options, pick the audio that matches their vibe perfectly, and click Add. Boom! Your actor is officially hired. Moving right along to Section 3, Generating the Video Clips, Lights, Camera, AI. Okay, we've got our cast of actors, and we have our 10-second scene scripts ready to go. Now it's time to hop into the director's chair and tell the AI to generate the actual video clips. Listen, I really want you to burn this number into your brain. 10. When you go into the video generation settings in Google Flow, you absolutely must change the output duration to exactly 10 seconds. You're also going to want to set your aspect ratio to 16:9, for that cinematic widescreen look, and just double check that you have the Omni flash model selected. Now pay really close attention here, because this is, without a doubt, the absolute most crucial cheat code in this entire explainer. The biggest headache with AI video is face consistency, right? Characters looking totally different from scene to scene. Well, the fix is unbelievably simple. In your AI prompt, instead of just typing a normal script line like Anya looks around the forest, you use the @ symbol. You literally type @Anya looks around the forest. So why do we do this? Well, the exact moment you type that @ symbol in Google Flow, a pop-up appears that lets you select and tag your pre-designed character.
By swapping out the typed text name with this specific tag, you're hardwiring the exact face, voice, and design of the Anya you created earlier directly into this brand new scene. It is a total game changer. It absolutely guarantees she's going to look exactly the same every single time.
Honestly, once you master that one little trick, the rest of the process is an absolute breeze. You're just going to confidently repeat this exact loop for all 10 to 12 scenes in your script. Paste the next 10-second prompt from ChatGPT, delete the character's plain text name, type the @symbol, tag the correct pre-designed character, whether that's Anya, Tinku, or Maharshi the owl, and hit generate. You literally just rinse and repeat until your whole script has been brought to life as video clips.
And that brings us to Section 4, Editing and Final Touches, the Executive Producer.
Now, Google Flow isn't going to magically stitch all these clips together for us just yet, so we're stepping out of the director's chair and putting on our executive producer hat. But don't stress, mobile post-production is incredibly easy these days. Step 1, just import all your clips in chronological order into a free mobile app, something like VN or InShot. Step 2, play through them and trim away any of the rough edges. You know, if a clip runs a bit too long or the AI did something kind of weird at the very end, just slice it right off. Step 3, drop in your background music. Use keyframes to dip the volume down when your characters are speaking and crank it back up during those dramatic silent moments. And finally, Step 4, layer in some sound effects to really make the world feel alive and immersive.
Okay, real talk for a second. I do have to give you a pretty important warning here. If your ultimate goal is to upload these animations and actually monetize your channel, just dumping a bunch of raw AI clips back to back, it's not going to cut it. Platforms really want to see your effort. Adding a human touch is absolutely key here. Taking the time for careful editing, dynamic audio mixing, and maybe even recording your own custom human voiceovers to replace the AI voices, that is the secret sauce. That human element is the bridge that turns a basic generated clip into real monetizable art.
And there you have it, the whole shebang. Going from a blank screen and a simple idea to a fully voiced, visually stunning 3D cartoon entirely on your phone. Like I said, those old barriers are totally gone. You've got the AI blueprinting power of ChatGPT, the visual magic of Google Flow, and the final polish of mobile editing apps right in your pocket. So I'm going to leave you with this final thought. You have all the tools. The only question now is, what story will you tell first? Grab your phone and go bring your imagination to life. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and happy animating!